Hello Techies! In this video, we are going to install Oracle VirtualBox. Before that, I would like to thank each and everyone who has subscribed and also watching this video. Stir Talks has crossed 60 subscriptions in just 6 days and also 400 views. We need your support like this, and also who have not subscribed, please subscribe, because in upcoming days we will upload videos on different topics: gaming, music, design and many more. First, open any browser, search Oracle VirtualBox or simply VirtualBox. So click it. Then slide down and you can see download VirtualBox 6.1. Click the same. Click Windows Host because we are going to install this virtualization software in Windows 10. Save the setup file at your preferred location or folder. I am clicking cancel because I already have the setup file downloaded. But if you have not downloaded yet, then click save. Now open the folder where you have saved the setup file and run as administrator. The setup wizard will install Oracle VirtualBox, so we should click next. Custom setup, we will go with default features, so no need to change anything, just click next. The check boxes should be selected and then click next. Proceed with installation now, choose yes and then click install. The installation has started and it will take 3 to 4 minutes at least to complete, and I will upload the drive link for the setup in our next video, which is the second part 2. It has finished installing, so click here finish. Okay, it will launch on its own, no need to search for VirtualBox. So yes, finally we have completed installation of Oracle VirtualBox or VBox. Now in the next video, we will create and open virtual machines, and the demo is ahead. So thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe and comment for more such videos.